Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to recall email in Outlook. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to recall an email here in Outlook, well, there are a few things that you need to understand and you need to know here. Now, the thing with Outlook here, if you want to recall certain emails, well, you need to take in mind that this totally depends on what version you currently are running for Outlook. So if you're using the new Outlook interface or new Outlook here, which is the default one you get for free, well, this is kind of complicated. So just to give you some idea, I'm going to send an email here to a, let's just say a friend, and typically you should see the sending option here. Now, and once you do see the sending option, you have the option to undo this. So if you click on the undo button while it's still sending, you'll be able to basically recall that email. Now, what if for messages that you've sent or emails that you've sent hours ago? Now, this is quite complicated. Now, if you're using in this case, the new interface for Outlook, if you're going to look for any options for you to recall those messages, like for example, this newly sent one, and there's no notification here that says undo or recall, well, if you're using the new one, you won't have the option to recall this. Now, the recall functionality is only reserved to Classic Outlook. So, Classic Outlook here is bundled with Microsoft's paid plan. So, if you want to access that, you may need to subscribe to their subscription or to their plan here to get access to Outlook Classic. So, what does it actually look like if you do have Outlook Classic? Now, typically, if you're trying to send an email or if you send an email inside Outlook Classic, this is what a typical interface will look like if you've accessed that message. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the three-dotted option at the top right next to the zoom option at the top section here. And once you click on it, you'll have the option to view a few things. Like, for example, you have actions here. So you want to go and choose actions. Now, inside actions, you want to go and look for the option that says recall this message. Now, the thing with recording this message, as long as it's that person hasn't viewed that message or the recipient of those email hasn't actually viewed the message, you'll be able to recall those emails. Now, the thing with this one is if someone already viewed that email, well, recalling that email will be hard because already they've read that email and recalling them will not be possible. But as long as they haven't read the email, you're pretty much good to go here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.